Lesson 29. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect continuous. Since and for mixed 2. Story 1.
Elena, 12 years old, Cyprus. I've just returned home from the supermarket, and I'm more than sure that my brother Albert has been cooking something. How do I know? Well, it's impossible to miss. The nasty smell has already spread all around the house. He says he has been making chicken tortillas, especially for me, and wants me to taste them. To be honest, I'm terrified. The meat smells and looks completely burnt. He has been frying it for too long. I have no idea why Albert has been spending so much time in the kitchen for the past few days. He is a terrible cook, and he knows it. He has been forcing my parents and me to try all of his strange creations since Saturday, and we have been pretending that they have been delicious. I don't want to upset him, but I think it's high time to tell him the truth. If I don't do it, I'll get sick because of his delicious food.
Story 2.
Petra, 16 years old, Germany. Why do I have bright pink paint all over my face? Let me tell you why. My baby sister Nadine has been learning to be a makeup artist. I've been looking after her since I came back home from school because her babysitter Ingrid had to leave earlier than usual today. I've been entertaining Nadine for over 3 hours, and I'm already exhausted. We've been playing hide and seek, I've been reading to her, and she has been practicing her makeup skills on me. The problem is that she has been using paint instead of eyeshadow or blush. I've been trying to convince her to do something else, but she hasn't been listening to me. She began crying when I took the paint away and gave her her favorite doll to play with. I think I'll give up and just wait for my parents to come home. I hope that the paint isn't waterproof, and I'll be able to wash it off easily.
Story 3.
Milan, 35 years old, Macedonia. I'm sorry that I'm so sweaty, but I haven't had time to change out of my workout clothes yet. I've been exercising in this new gym. I've been going there 3 times a week since it was open last month. I've liked it so far. It's probably the best gym I've ever been to. They have the latest equipment, and the staff is very experienced and friendly. I'm honestly surprised that I've been having so much fun and taking care of my health at the same time. I've been mixing hard work with pleasure in the best possible way. I've also been doing my best to eat healthier for the past few weeks. I've been eating more vegetables, drinking lots of water, and I've been avoiding all kinds of candy and fast food. I've already noticed some benefits of my new lifestyle. I've been feeling great, I've been sleeping well, and my skin has never looked better than now.
The end of Lesson 29.